welcome back to Rescue Digital Media. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable error. But, before we get started, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get more useful videos. First of all, let's know when the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable error occur. When we connect USB drive or any other external hard drives to PC. But it won't open and shows this error. Now, let's move on to fix this error with 3 best fixes. Method 1, run the chkdsk. To run chkdsk utility, you need to go to the Start menu. In the search box, type cmd. Here, you'll see the option command prompt, tap on it. Once the command prompt window opens, you need to type the command chkdsk space /f space drive letter and colon. Press enter key. Method 2, run the Windows error checking utility. Go to search box and type this PC, then hit enter. Select the h:/drive and make right tap on it to run error checking. Click Properties. Go to the Tools tab. Then select the Check option at the Error Checking section. Then, wait till the Windows check and scan the H drive to fix the problem. Method 3, format the corrupted and unreadable drive. To do so, simply connect your corrupted drive to PC. Go to this PC, then find your corrupted drive, H drive. Make right click on it and find Format option. Here, you'll see different file systems, but you need to choose NTFS, which is a best file system to format any drive. Click on Quick Format option, then tap on Start. Wait till the formatting process gets finished. So, those are the fixes that help you to solve the error effectively. Thanks for watching.